In today's cooking adventure, I decided to take on a unique challenge by frying Pillsbury crescent rolls filled with expired cream cheese. Definitely a bold move. First, I started by preheating some oil in a frying pan, which would create that perfect crispy texture. While the oil was heating, I carefully rolled out the crescent dough, feeling a mix of excitement and curiosity about how this unconventional combination would turn out. Next, I spooned in generous dollops of the cream cheese, making sure to seal the edges properly to avoid any messy leaks during frying. As I placed the filled crescents into the hot oil, the sizzle was music to my ears. I decided to fry them for about 10 minutes, keeping an eye on the clock to ensure they reached that beautiful golden brown hue. The aroma wafting from the pan was irresistible, drawing in anyone nearby with promises of a tasty treat. Flipping them halfway through cooking helped to ensure even browning, and soon enough, I was left with a deliciously crispy exterior. When I finally took a bite, I was pleasantly surprised by the creamy, warm filling that burst forth, balancing perfectly with the flaky dough. It was an unexpected treat that transformed a simple snack into something special. If you've enjoyed watching me experiment in the kitchen today, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Join me for more culinary escapades as we continue to explore creative and fun recipes together. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to share more delicious ideas and tasty adventures with all of you. Let's keep the cooking journey going. In today's culinary experiment, I dove into frying Pillsbury crescent rolls stuffed with expired cream cheese. But let me tell you, I learned that frying should really take more than just 10 minutes for the best results. After rolling out the dough and carefully adding the cream cheese, I placed the crescents in the hot oil, eager to achieve that marvelous golden brown crispiness. However, I quickly realized that allowing them to fry longer than my initial estimate made all the difference. By increasing the frying time to about 15 minutes, I achieved a perfect crunch on the outside, while the creamy interior became warm and decadent. The combination was simply irresistible. So, if you're planning to recreate this tasty treat, remember to give them the time they deserve. If you enjoyed this cooking adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and fun kitchen experiments. I can't wait to share the next tasty venture with you all.